Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by preparing both devices. Make sure your PC is powered, awake, and on the network. Sleep modes can block connections. Install the matching remote desktop app on your phone and the host/server component on the PC, then enable remote access in the PC settings so the service listens. Once done, write down the PC name or IP address and the account username you'll use, because accurate credentials are what let the phone connect securely. You open the app on your phone and create a new connection entry using the PC name or IP you noted. Enter the username and password and choose network-level authentication if available for extra security. This prevents unauthorized access. Make sure you configure display resolution and bandwidth limits to match your mobile network. Lower settings reduce lag. Then tap Connect and watch the app negotiate. If prompted, accept the PC certificate so the encrypted. Once connected, work as if you were at the PC. Open apps, transfer files via copy-paste or cloud, and when finished, lock or sign out to protect the machine. If the connection fails, check the basics first. Correct IP/name, exact credentials, PC not asleep, and firewall rules allowing the remote service. Make sure your phone is on a reliable network. If you need access from outside the local network, use a VPN or properly configured port forwarding, and test with a small tab.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.